Okay, so hello guys. I wanna show you my project. Okay, so my project's concept is like to is like is the is world famous recipes. It's like you discover how to make iconic dishes from around the globe. So the concept of this project is recipes. So you got here 21 meals, famous meals from around the world. We have countries such as Italy, Turkey, United Kingdom, Morocco. We have Mexico. We have Korea. We have France. So we have a lot of countries here. So how do you know the recipe? Here we I'm going to show you. We will let's like check chicken parmesan. You click in this button on this button called show recipe. They give you here the preparation time, the cooking time, the total time, and servings. Here you got the ingredients and the instructions. I think but that project took me around like 3 days. I think, yeah. So you have here you like if you want to cook something, you just click on on the button and you get the recipe here. And if you want to hide it, you just click on hide the recipe and it will hide. That was my project for today. I hope you enjoy it and bye.